The more you learn, the more you earn. Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Anya and today I'm going to teach you the pronunciation of and for in this video in American accent. In America, the four are pronounced as a two types, and the first are when the for comes at the end of the sentence, they pronounce for. They stress the word for. For example, what is this for? For. And the second, when the four prepositions comes in the between of the sentence or at the beginning, they pronounce as for, f. For example, the boy need money for buying chocolates. For. And the pronunciation of and, whenever you just see vowels and consonant together in a sentence, just remove d from the word and that will pronounce as and. Me and you, Tom and Jerry. For example, I would like to say in a sentence, I'm crazy and you're out of mind. We're crazy and I'm out of my mind. And just remove d from the word and. Thank you. So guys, keep learning and practicing from my video. Thank you. Bye bye.